Good afternoon all, Russell from Shan Cycles. We are frame makers based in Coventry, England, the UK, and we specialise in roll-off belt drive systems. And just to give you guys some pointers on how to take a rear wheel out of a roll-off equipped bike, or this is a rear gear hub. So we're just going to show you how to take it out very simply. And this would be on all of our models. Other brands in the UK and around the world are variances of what we do, but the core way is exactly the same. They maybe have a quick release or a 12mm bolt through or other bits and pieces and adapters that go on, but primarily it'll be the same system. So what we do basically is we've got at the back here the roll-off box, and this connects the cables to the shifter at the front. We're going to be taking that off in a second. From a point of view of when you're out and about, I'd always recommend try and be in gear 14. Not as critical, it's just an easy point so you know that can't get messed up. So gear 14 or gear 1 basically. If you've got a coin or anything, it's just take this little aluminium screw out here. You don't need to touch any of the Torx systems that are in there, and you'll just remove the gearbox off the rear hub like so, just to keep it out of the way of the wheel coming out. On this bike here we have a quick release system, and we've used a secure 5mm Allen key so the wheel's more secure from being fethed or pinched and so forth. On this side of the bike, which we'll have a bit of a close-up in a minute for you, we're going to just undo the Allen key, a couple of turns, which would be a normal quick release lever on a normal system, and then you will literally tap that, the wheel will drop, we're going to take the belt off, and that's taken the wheel out. So once you have changed your tyre, fixed your inner tube, want to put your wheel back in, what's the process? Obviously you can easily say it's reversible. What we've got here, just on this bike here, every gear hub has a bit of what we call a torsion arm that keeps the drive system of the hub in a static position. So if it's Sturmey Archer, Emioli, 3x3, or roller, they all have something that keeps something static in position. So this here needs to be put into a tab that goes onto the frame basically. And that's really the only thing that's different to what the reverse section was, because it just dropped out. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put the belt back onto the sprocket at the front, there we go, and on the rear, and we're just going to bring this arm round, slowly go through the disc brakes, and I'm popping the quick release out, and that will slot straight back in. I'm going to put a bit of pressure on the wheel to bring it solid against the metal dropouts of the frame. You shouldn't be trying to position wheels by altering, the frame should be on. I'm going to do the quick release up, like so, and then we're going to put the box back on. There's two locating screws just at the back here, so it's pretty simple to work out. Give it a bit of a wobble, nice little click on, screw the retention bolt up, and again, doesn't need to be more than finger tight. There's no torque on that at all. There's a very big blade in there, so if it is tight because of muck or dirt, you can get a little coin and just be able to do it when you're anywhere. And we are back to where we were. Obviously run through the gears, and that's all, yep, all working. That's it. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found Russell's tutorial helpful. A big thank you to Russell Cashmore from Shan Cycles for sharing his knowledge and expertise with us. If you'd like to see more guest experts in my videos, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it on your social media. You can also support my work by buying me a coffee through the super thanks button below this video. Thanks again, and see you very soon.